Thank you for tuning in today to Embracing Your Life. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have you ever wondered why love and unity seem to triumph over adversity time and time again? Imagine for a moment a world where love and unity are not just words, but powerful forces that weave through our lives, shaping our experiences and guiding our actions. Where these twin forces are the invisible threads that bind us together, magnifying our strengths and diminishing our weaknesses. Love, in its purest form, is the very essence of life. It is the warm, comforting glow that lights up our darkest hours, the gentle hand that lifts us when we stumble, the soft whisper that tells us we are not alone. It is the energy that fuels our dreams, the inspiration that propels us forward, the bond that ties us to one another. Unity, on the other hand, is the embodiment of collective strength. It is the realization that we are stronger together than we are apart. It is the recognition of our common humanity, the understanding that our destinies are intertwined, the belief in the power of collective action. Throughout our journey, we will introduce you to a tapestry of tales, each one a testament to the transformative power of love and unity. Stories of ordinary people who, through the power of love, surmounted extraordinary obstacles. Stories of communities that, bound by unity, overcame tremendous adversities. We will share with you stories of resilience, survival, and triumph, painting a picture of a world where love and unity reign supreme. Stories that remind us that when we choose to love, we choose to heal. When we choose unity, we choose strength. These stories, though unique in their own right, share a common thread, a thread of love and unity that weaves through their narratives, binding them together and reminding us of the immense power that lies within these simple words. In the face of adversity, the power of love and unity often reveals itself in the most unexpected ways. So, let's embark on this journey together, exploring the beautiful landscapes of love and unity, and discovering the boundless opportunities they provide for overcoming adversity. Consider the story of a single mother struggling to provide for her 3 children during a global pandemic. Her name was Rosa, a name synonymous with strength and resilience. Rosa worked 2 jobs, both of which were affected by the pandemic, leaving her with little to no income. Life was never a bed of roses for Rosa, but she bore her struggles with a grace that was nothing short of inspiring. Her love for her children was her driving force, pushing her to rise before dawn and work till long after sunset. She was a beacon of resilience and determination, a testament to the indomitable human spirit. But even the strongest amongst us need a helping hand. Rosa was no exception. In her darkest hour, when the weight of the world seemed too heavy to bear, it was her community that stepped in. They were people she had known her entire life, and some she had never met before. They were people who understood that unity was the antidote to adversity. They started by delivering meals to Rosa's doorstep. A warm meal at the end of a long day, a simple act that meant the world to Rosa. Then came the donations, clothes for her children, books for their education, and a little money to help ease her financial burden. But it was more than just the material assistance. It was the emotional support, the understanding nods, the kind words, the shared laughter, and the shoulder to lean on. It was the love that flowed through every action, every word, every glance. It was the unity that they shared, that sense of community that made Rosa feel less alone in her struggle. Rosa's story is a testament to the power of unity and love. It shows us that even in the face of adversity and hardship, we can overcome. It shows us the strength of the human spirit and the depth of our capacity to love and support one another. Even in the face of immense hardship, love and unity within her community became her lifeline. Now, imagine a young man, homeless and alone, living on the unforgiving streets of a bustling city. His life had been a relentless struggle, a fight for survival amidst the cold winds and colder hearts. His name was Sam, and his only possession was an old, worn-out guitar that he cherished like a best friend. In the midst of his desolation, Sam found a glimmer of hope in an unlikely friendship. He met Lily, an elderly woman who ran a small soup kitchen in the city's forgotten alleys. She was a beacon of love and kindness in a world that seemed to have forgotten him. Lily didn't have much, but she shared what little she had with everyone, embodying the spirit of unity. In the heart of winter, When the city was blanketed in snow and the streets were deserted, it was this unity that kept Sam going. He found solace in the warm soup and warmer smiles at Lily's kitchen. He found a community of people who, like him, were fighting their own battles but chose to stick together. Their unity was their survival. Sam's life began to change. He started playing his guitar at the soup kitchen, filling the air with melodies that touched every heart. Lily encouraged him, and the others joined in, creating a symphony of unity and resilience. Sam wasn't alone anymore. He was part of a family bound not by blood, but by shared hardships and hopes. As the seasons changed, so did Sam's circumstances. His music caught the attention of a passerby, a music producer who saw potential in his raw talent. From the cold streets, Sam found himself in a recording studio, his dreams turning into reality. But he never forgot his days on the streets, the love he found, and the unity that saved him. In the darkest corners of our society, love and unity can still shine a light, offering hope and a path to survival. Next, picture a community torn apart by racial tension and prejudice, teetering on the edge of chaos. This was a place where hate and misunderstanding ruled, where differences were highlighted rather than celebrated. It was a community on the brink of self-destruction, gripped by fear and intolerance. In the heart of this turmoil, however, a spark of love dared to flicker. It began with a few brave souls who chose compassion over contempt, understanding over ignorance. They were the unlikely allies in this story: a police officer, a community activist, a teacher, and a retired veteran. They were individuals who, despite their varied backgrounds and experiences, shared one common belief: that love was stronger than hate. This belief ignited a movement that slowly but surely began to change the narrative. The police officer began to foster dialogue between the law enforcement and the community. The activist used her platform to educate and inspire, to show that unity was possible even amidst diversity. The teacher integrated lessons of empathy and acceptance into his curriculum. The retired veteran shared stories of camaraderie and brotherhood, of a time when the color of one's skin didn't matter on the battlefield. Their actions weren't monumental. They were subtle, often unnoticed, but they were powerful. They were acts of love, of unity, of defiance against the status quo. And bit by bit, these acts began to chip away at the towering wall of prejudice, revealing a bridge of understanding beneath. This bridge served as a beacon of hope, a testament to the power of love and unity. And as more and more people began to cross it, the community started to heal. The tension eased, replaced with a newfound respect for diversity. The struggles remained, but they were no longer insurmountable. They were challenges to be faced together as a united community. The triumph of this community is a story of love overcoming hate, of unity conquering division. It's a reminder that even in the face of adversity, love has the power to heal and unite. Even when division seems inevitable, love and unity can bridge the gap, fostering understanding and harmony. These stories are not exceptions, but rather examples of the power that love and unity hold. You've heard the tales, you've felt the emotions. We've journeyed through resilience, survival, and triumph, all bound together by a common thread of love and unity. Let's take a moment to look back. Each story was a testament to the strength of the human spirit, to the unyielding power of love and unity in the face of adversity. Each person we heard from chose to rise above their struggles, to find light in the darkness, and to draw strength from the bonds they shared with others. Consider the story of resilience. It was a tale of unwavering determination, of standing firm when the world seemed to crumble. It was about choosing to love, even when it was easier to give in to despair. Then there was the story of survival. It was about enduring, about holding on to hope, even when circumstances were dire. It was about the power of unity, of coming together to face a common enemy. And who could forget the story of triumph? It was a tale of victory, not over others, but over one's own limitations and fears. It was about the transformative power of love, about the remarkable changes it can bring about in our lives. Now, I encourage you to reflect. Reflect on your own stories, your own struggles and triumphs. How can you bring more love and unity into your life? How can you become a beacon of hope, a source of strength for those around you? Remember, you are not alone. We are all connected, bound by the universal language of love and unity. We are all part of this grand tapestry of life, each thread as vital as the next. Remember, it is within our power to choose love over hate, unity over division. Make that choice today and witness the changes it can bring in your life and the lives of those around you. Thanks again for taking time out to listen to our story. Together we can make a difference in the lives of others. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so that we can continue to provide you with more enrichment.